What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on AMP, which is up just about 4% in the last 24 hours. Again, majority of the pump coming from just about the last few hours here, and we're going to be going through what is next for AMP for the rest of July, over the next few days, going into August, September, and the rest of the year. What can we essentially expect from AMP? Is it a buy or is it a sell at the moment? But before I go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the RSI, AMP is pretty much where it should be at the moment. It is at the RSI is at 61.97, which is again pretty normal. The reason for that is because we did see quite a dip here earlier on this week. Again, as you guys can see here, it has taken a hit, and right now it is pumping back up. However, yes, the red candles have dropped it down by 14%, and right now it's slowly heading back up. But how high is it likely to go? So if we zoom in into the hourly chart here, we can see it has been hitting green candles over the last couple of hours here, especially in the last 2 hours. It has hit two huge green candles. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value, heading into, well, tomorrow, and then potentially going into next week. We should see an increase in value again, heading over 0.004 cents in value, so at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So if we bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart, it is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. The MACD line is again trading over the signal line and the baseline, indicating an overall bullish movement for AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours, followed by an overall increase over the coming week and a half. Even though it is trading below the baseline, it is still trading over the signal line and looking quite bullish. So again, do expect red candles, do expect minimal dips in between, but what this is telling us is an overall increase in value is what is predicted from AMP going into mid to late August. So over the next 3 to 4 weeks, AMP should be essentially going through I wouldn't say a major increase in value, however trading closer to 0.005 cents or higher is where I'm expecting it to trade at, because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $135,000 by the end of August, early September, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. Finally, zooming out into the daily chart, we are not looking too great here. Reason being is the dip that have been taking place over the last few days. However, it is still trading over the baseline and just below the signal line, guys. So yes, it is likely to take dips in between, like I mentioned earlier on in the video, hitting red candles. But heading into Q4 of 2025, I am predicting AMP to be hitting the 1 cent target. So the last time we did see 1 cent was back in January 2025, so very early this year, before going for a major drop, and we should be returning back to that level towards the very end of the year is where my predictions are for AMP at the moment. But again, AMP is a crypto that I do keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or major news that come across, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, it is looking quite good for AMP as well. So bringing out the Bollinger Band, again, it is trading pretty much near about in the middle, very close to the blue line here, indicating that AMP is essentially trading where it's meant to be at. It's not likely to go for a major bull run or a major price correction. It is likely to carry on trading like it has been trading over the last few days, but again heading towards the red candle, which is the upper level here, indicating a very minimal increases in value. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume is down 22% at $9.51 million. However, because it's increasing in value right now, I am predicting the trading volume to head over about $11 to $12 million. Over the week, it is down a massive, well, not massive, 2%, but yeah, down 2%. And over the month, it is up 20%, guys. So it has been very, very volatile, but the overall outcome of the last 4 weeks has been more on the positive side because of how the crypto market has been performing. And Bitcoin has slowly started to stabilize around $118,000 over the last week. As you guys can see, it's only gained 0.08%, nothing major. Hence why the crypto market in general has been a little bit quiet over the last week because Bitcoin has stabilized and majority of the cryptocurrencies are slowly starting to stabilize around the current price range, so no major movements are expected at the moment. Let me know your end of year target for AMP. How high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.